Hey guys, today I'm making my homemade Tombstone soap embeds from my homemade soap dough. And this is a little different because this is my version of soaping on a budget. I mean, I'm not saying I'm poor, but I'm also not rich. And if I can save $1 anywhere and still get the same result, then I absolutely will. And anything that I do, no matter what, will always be the same end result. It'll always be the same great product that I've made before. 100% vegan and wonderful. That's the key, is to make everything as uniform as possible, at least with your ingredients. And the rest you can just kind of come up with on your own. Anyway, today I'm making my tombstones for my Halloween soap collection that will be coming out soon. And since we're soaping on a budget, instead of using a soap extruder with discs, I am using my own tools and, so to speak, molds. I start by deciding what I want to draw up, and I get a piece of cardboard, draw whatever embed I've come up with, and cut it out and wrap it with Scotch tape, clear preferably. And bada boom, bada bing, you got yourself a way to cut out your own soap embeds in soap dough. Now, there are a few things that you're not able to do that you would be able to do if you just went out and bought the items. But this is soaping on a budget, so here we are. I will say, if you have enough dough, you could probably make something about 2 inches round and circle and maybe like 6-7 inches long, and get a cutout and sculpt around that so that you could fit it in at least half of a soap mold. You're definitely going to want to use a non-stick surface, a silicone mat, something that you'll be able to easily unmold your embed from. I also use a Ziploc baggie because I can fold it over when it's opened up and knead my dough that way a little bit easier. But it's fun and honestly relaxing to do this process. I mean, all it is cutting out your own shape, and it could really be something that you truly created and nobody else has if you draw something up different. And from there, you just cut out as many as you'll need to use in your soap and create your own creation. I know this stuff is kind of intimidating, but I feel like I found the simplest way to do it right here, especially if you're on a budget. And if you try it out, tag me and let me see what you've done. That's all for now, guys. Have a good one.